Round Rock Donuts, they are legendary. Everybody in the country has had them, and if they haven't, we really encourage you guys to make your trip down here. I didn't come here just to work. I came here to get a little snack also. So they originally called us to come take a look at their grease trap. They were having an issue having to do multiple pumps. A normal grease trap shouldn't be pumped more than once a month, depending on the size. They were actually getting theirs pumped twice a week. So they had a feeling that something was going on. It was at the time where it needed to be replaced. So this new grease trap is really gonna modernize what they have here now, make sure that they're set up for 2025 and beyond. The biggest concern that this customer had about replacing their grease trap is loss of time. They were afraid that they would have to close and lose a lot of business in that process. We were able to set it up where as soon as they close for the day, their business hours, that's when we're gonna start our actual installation. We're doing a lot of prep right now, getting the excavation done, but we will not affect their normal business hours. We have our machine set up, our Bobcats, to do the heavy lifting, and we have our shovels and excavators here to do the soft digging by the sewer pipes, the water lines. We don't want to break anything. So I'm standing next to a 500-gallon shear grease trap. What this does is it creates the baffle in the middle. It has the outlet and the inlet where we're creating that separation. We have fog that sits on top, fats, oils, and grease. Solids go to the bottom, and in the middle there's a baffle here. So when the water gets to a point, it actually creates a channel that goes through and fluid is discharged out here. But let me take you inside the old basin here. What we're looking at here is a metal container with a one single handle lid. Opening this up right here, you can see the fog that's sitting on top. That's the fat, oil, and grease. It creates that texture on top. That's the separation. And you can see on both sides, we basically have fog. So the basin is just, it's overwhelmed. It's not gonna be able to hold its capacity. So this new basin that we're installing, it's set up for the future. I doubt that it would have to be replaced again, especially with normal maintenance. The way that these guys take care of their products, having them pumped out, flushed, cleaned, this new basin will last them the next 40 to 50 years without a doubt. Included in the installation is getting the basin pumped and removed from the property. Part of that is we hire a company to come out here. They safely and environmentally safe remove the grease off the property and dispose of it. That's part of the installation. Everything's going real smooth so far. So job's looking really good. We have the right equipment on site, and we should be done here shortly. Wow, so man, what are we looking at here? We're looking at some Round Rock donuts. These just look absolutely amazing. Kind of helps the job go by a little bit smoother. Whew. Still warm. Oh, I can feel. Amazing texture. Just melts in your mouth. Unlike any donut you've had before. If you have not had a Round Rock donut, you got to come out here. I wouldn't want to be anywhere else.
We're just going to finish up on the floors to do the washing and cleaning after it gets strained out, and then I'll let you know after.
All right.
Yep.
So we're basically updating the manager. We're keeping them involved, letting them know what's going on. They have so much business going, a lot of activity, and our main focus is to make sure that they have no disruption in their local business here. So keeping the manager updated constantly, that keeps them satisfied. They're in the know, and if they have any questions, they know we're right here to answer for them. All right, so we are getting an update here. We got the basin fully pumped. We're looking at the bottom here. We can see the corrosion from the metal. It's always interesting looking at an old basin that's been sitting in here. You see the years that it's had, the time that it's put on. All right, now that this is cleared out, excavation starts. We got the Bobcat here. We're gonna get this thing cranked up. We got Ethan on the wheel. So Ethan, why don't you go get this laid up for us? The customer's driveway's right here. This is where they do their drive-through order. So we have this plastic down to collect a lot of the dirt. That way, when we go back to backfill it, this isn't all mud and just a mess over here. So it's gonna be a clean backfill. There's not gonna be any dirt or mud left over on this concrete here. It's gonna be a clean space. All right, so we got this basin removed. The excavation is going great. We have it chained off right now to our backhoe. We're gonna get this moved out of the area. You see that the footprint that it left here, we're gonna clean this up. For the most part, we're gonna use this entire space here for the new basin, but the footprint's looking good. We have the sewer line already prepped over here, and we've cleared out the water line, which was in the way. Our vents, which we're gonna redo, and the storm drain. So other than that, the footprint's looking good, the excavation's going great, and we got the old basin out of here. We're pulling some rock off the back, so we're gonna make a firm bed. The rock bed will be where it lays, and this is everything we need. We have everything we need to get this job done. We have the equipment and the men. What we're doing is we're getting the pebbles, the rock pebbles off, unloaded. We'll get them to the pit here and get this thing set. Everything's right on schedule right now. We haven't had any hiccups. Getting excited about getting to the end of this and sending some pictures to the customer. He texted me. He's been texting me saying how things going. Hey, you guys don't stay late if you don't have to. So don't worry about it. It's going to be taken care of before we leave. Really a great job that we have going on right now. So really proud of our whole team that we have here, and nobody's complaining, and it's just going really smooth. So looking forward to seeing how this ends. My boy? He's my boy. All right, we're looking at this bed down here. Man, it looks good. We did some tamping down. We hit a little bit of rock around the edges, got our chipping hammers out, cleared that area out, and now we just filled up the base with P-pebbles. If you look at the foundation down here, after the tamping, it's flat, it's level. We have what we need. We're protecting the sewer lines here coming out of the property with a test ball so no mud or dirt get in it. And the foundation is just looking great. So we're about to get the basin moved over and get it loaded. All right, so if you see what we're doing now is just getting the last of our pebbles in around the edges. What that's doing is protecting the base, making sure that it doesn't wobble back and forth. Ethan, what do you think so far?
I think we're looking pretty good.
Yeah, our lead installer says we're looking pretty good, and I agree with him. You know, we started late for the customer, but we're really still on schedule to be finished here shortly. So once we make this side connection, it'll be ready to flow. And then when the customers get here in the morning, most likely the people who work here and open the building, they won't even know. They won't even know the difference. And that's what we want. We want our customers to not even realize what happened. So Ethan's putting on these no hubs right now. That's how we make the connection coming out of the outlets. We don't hard pipe that together. We have to put hubs. So we're making this connection here, shielded bands to protect it. What we'll do is we'll run the vent along over here. But this thing's going along. We're about to do our sewer tie-in over here. This side is completely in. It's level. We put our 4-foot level on it, measured it out. The basin's sitting in there very firm. And we got our water about to tie back in. Looking good, guys. So what we're doing right now is we're putting on the final lid here. You see we have this protector, kind of stops from anything being able to fall in there, person, pet, anything like that. So that's what that yellow cross is for. We have the cast iron lid on top, and that's it. The grease trap is in. It is fully functional as of right now. What we're gonna do is we're gonna leave it exposed. We have an inspection coming, so we won't do the final cover until then. We're gonna set some caution tape up around here. We have, but it's gonna be protected and it's fully functional as of right now. So the grease trap went great. Everyone's spirits is still real up, and this install was just great, guys. So if you have a small business, if you have a restaurant and you want somebody to come out, take a look at your grease trap, give us a call, Reliant Plumbing. Go to our website, we'll come out, we'll give you upfront pricing, and if this is something you need done after hours, we can schedule that for you also. We can come early, we can come late. What do you think, Ethan? He said we're good to go. If Ethan says we're good to go, then I know we are.